at 3622 Pond Way. Today is May 16th. This is an interior inspection from an access point created in the garage stack. We are pushed out to a house trap that's going to be located in the gravel driveway. There is no access to this house trap at this time, no fresh air vent. Poked around with the shovel, see if we can get access. There is none. We're going to pull back from here.